Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today I'm making this refreshing drink known as Kiwi Mojito. First of all, I'm taking mint leaves and I'm going to take them off. I'm going to separate it from the roots or the stems and then we are going to use it. The next ingredient we're going to use is going to be kiwi. Well, kiwi tastes so good and it's really delicious in taste, so it will give a really good flavor to your drink. Nowadays in summer, it's really hot out there, so we need a lot of refreshing drinks. Well, I'm going to peel the kiwi off. I've taken half of it and I'm peeling it, and then we are going to use it. So when it's peeled, we are going to cut it into smaller pieces. Now it's time to cut it into smaller pieces, but you can also cut it into round form. It's really up to you the way you want to cut it. I'm just cutting it into smaller pieces. After that, we will move towards the next ingredient once it's done. The next ingredient I'm going to use is going to be lemon. Refreshing drink must need lemon. So in this kiwi mojito, we must need this lemon. And we're going to cut it into slices, and once it's done we will move towards the making procedure. So I've taken 2 lemons and after cutting it, let's move towards the next thing we're going to do. I'm taking a glass and I'm going to place this kiwi and mint leaves in it, and I'm also going to add a sliced lemon in it. With that, I am going to squeeze lemon and take the juice out of it. With that, I am going to take some of the sugar powder. You can add sugar according to your taste, and I'm going to add some of the ice cubes as well to make it chill. And now I am going to fill this glass with soda. You can also add some water in it. It's really up to you if you want to, or you can just skip it as well. So our drink known as Kiwi Mojito is ready. And just try this recipe at home in this summer. Enjoy this drink and let me know whether you like it or not. And if you really like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and your family so that they can get access to my videos as well. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe it and enjoy these recipes. And I will be bringing more videos. Till then, goodbye. Thanks for watching.